So now I'm going to explain you that. Oh, first of all, I am using to watch that I'm inside HTML file. So I'm using style tag to use CSS inside it. So first of all, I am applying styles on body. So it's font family, which should be Arial or sans serif, which is available on users computer. Then the color should be this, and background should be this linear banner. After that, text align should be center. After that, layer spacing should be 2 pixels. And after that, for each one, I am also decorating it with underline. After that, the line width should be 1.5 on P tag, and text line should be justified, and color should be I'm using RGB color, which is this color. Watch it. After that, for image, I am setting it to width is 100%, height should be 300 pixel, background images. So I can add any URL inside it. So you would remember that. Okay, so first I have to add an image. So wait for a second. Okay, so dj.png. I've added over here. After that, I can add dj.png over here instead of this dj.png. After that, I've set background size to cover and background repeat, no repeat. There should be no repeat. Margin should be 20 pixel. And after that, I have now my HTML code. Welcome to my CSS example. This paragraph is okay, so let me show you the output. Live and okay, so it's too zoomed in. So let me make it smaller. Height should be 30 pixel. Delete. And okay, so you're watching the progress. And here's the image. Okay, so what I have to do is inside my VS I have to change the thing. So that is instead of pixel, I would set the height of also 50 pixel. Bracket 5 and okay. Now let me check it. Okay, you're watching here is the full image. And now, first of all, I will showing you in what underline the text. After that, the paragraph color should be this. Background color should be this, and all the paragraph color should be this. After that, I've set the image, and over here is the image. So after that, okay, so this was all for today. So keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.